How to verify your BitMart account. First of all, open BitMart on your device and make sure that you are signed in. You will see this type of interface. Now go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top left hand side once and then click on your Gmail account. You can see the identity verification at the top. Go ahead and tap on verify now. You can see two levels there. The level 1 is your personal information like where do you live, what's your name, and what's your country. The level 2 is the all-starter requirements, government ID, and facial verification. Go ahead and tap on verify now. What you need to do is first of all select your nationality, scan and upload your ID document, and the third is facial recognition with mobile. So go ahead and tap on verify now and click on while using this app, or you can easily start. So what you need to do is tap on the start icon. Up to tap on start, you should easily finish this process. What you need is your valid government issued document. Then you should click your photo. After you click on your photo, this will be integrated to your system and the facial recognition will be held. Once you do that, your identity will be verified on your BitMart account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.